Hey guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Spencer, and if you're new here, this is my 3rd gen Tacoma sitting parked behind me. And if you aren't new here, you'll probably recognize that I'm in a totally different space than normal. That's because I'm here in the Posh Lab in Calgary today. If you guys remember when we did the Morimoto install and the sliders install, that was up at the Posh Lab in Edmonton. The guys are normally doing some incredible work on some incredible cars here in the shop. But today they've allowed me to use the space to install my new spotter mirrors on the Tacoma. Not only are swapping over to the spotter mirrors going to be an awesome upgrade, but a few weeks ago it was an extreme cold snap and my mirror here cracked and broke. So not only is it an upgrade, it's a replacement. So let's go take a closer look at what's in the box and then install them. One small recommendation they have is to use some small masking tape on the bottom edge, just so that you don't accidentally scratch that up. So the first step is to actually adjust the mirror so that you have a gap down here at the bottom to pry it out. So you can either adjust that from the controls inside or just gently pressing it. Now the only tool you essentially need for this install is a pry tool, so something that won't scratch up or damage the plastics. And you're just gonna go in from the bottom and put some firm pressure and apply it outwards. And then on the back side here, you just have these 2 electrical connections. These are for the heated or mirror defrost. So just unplug these carefully. And then we're gonna take our spotter mirror here, and on the back side, you'll notice those same connections. Now I have a TRD Offroad, so it just has mirror defrost. But if you have the Sport or Premium packages that have the blind spot monitoring, you'll have an additional harness to connect to the back. But this is the non-BSM model. So we're just gonna go and get these connected back into the mirror. And now the exact same way you took your previous mirror off, you're gonna line up the clips and just push this mirror into position. With the spotter mirror installed, we can remove this piece of tape we used to try and protect the bottom, and then you can go ahead and remove the film off the front. Now the new spotter mirror adjusts the exact same way with the controls on your door as the OEM mirrors do. And they defrost the exact same way. And if you have the blind spot monitoring, that is also incorporated. To adjust the auxiliary part of the spotter mirror, the convex part that sticks out, you'll just come out and manually push this with your hands. Again, disconnecting the electrical for the defrost/heated mirror. And then just connecting to the back of the spotter mirror. The polarity on these doesn't matter, which is nice. And then lastly, lining up the clips and just firmly pushing it back into place. All right guys, so that's how to install the spotter mirror on the 3rd gen Tacoma. They make this for all makes and models of vehicles, even the 2nd gen Tacomas as well, and 4Runners. Really, really nice upgrade. You get a much wider field of view with the auxiliary mirror down below, giving you an even wider field of view on top of that. So this kind of mirror is really, really awesome for just general driving, highway driving, towing, and then of course, if you're overlanding, can also help avoiding rocks or seeing where your line is coming in on the trail. So really, really nice upgrade. It's really nice that these are a direct factory OE replacement as well, so you pretty much need no tools even, and you still maintain your heated mirrors as well as your blind spot monitoring if you have that model, and you just get all the added benefits of having the spotter mirror. It's really, really nice. So I'll have a link down in the description below if you guys want to check these out or pick up a set for your vehicle. And thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down below and I'll answer it, of course, and see you guys in the next video. Peace.